Hi. Today we're going to talk about the balance sheet of Widgets R Us. So if we're looking at the geography of the balance sheet, we have usually cash is at the top. And then we have accounts receivable. Accounts receivable, the invoices that have been sent to customers for products delivered that have not been paid yet. And then we have inventory. The inventory is the cost of the products that Widgets R Us produced or that they bought that they're going to sell on to customers. Next, we have fixed assets. So they bought equipment to produce the widgets, vehicles to deliver the widgets. And then you also see over here we have depreciation and amortization. So those costs, even though they were all paid at once, they're not allowed to be deducted all at once, and they have to be spread out over the cost over a few years. In this case, equipment's over 5 years, and the government license, which is their intangible asset, it's amortized over 15 years. And that gives you the total assets. So what you're going to see is the total assets is going to equal the liabilities and the equity. And that's why it's called a balance sheet. So when we come to the liabilities, accounts payable, that refers to money that's owed for inventory that was purchased or for other expenses where it's money owed to vendors. You have your credit cards. And then Widgets R Us took out loans in order to fund their working capital at the beginning and their equipment purchases. And they're paying that amount down over time. And they also took out a line of credit, which has been building up in order to fund their working capital over the last 3 years. And finally, we have equity. So equity represents the income that's been earned over the years since the start of the business, less distributions, plus the owner's contribution over the time of the business. So over here, we have our net income, which is our current year's net income, our current year's distributions, and the retained earnings, which represent the accumulated income and distributions from prior years, the net amount of that number.